Cloud this week's Precious Metals Market Update. I want to extend, we've had some nice emails on the last two shows. I need to reiterate a couple things to make it clear. First of all, the fundamentals for silver are in place for a big jump, but the investor is not back in the market yet. And this is the reason we've seen silver languish around the mining cost. So as we look at the silver demand for electric cars in China and other parts of the world in the next 5 years, it's going to be a steady growing industrial demand for silver. When you look at the solar panels, that now in California, you have to have solar panels as your primary heating situation for houses over a certain square footage. Same thing in China. Demand for solar panels and silver, which are part of the solar panels, is in a strong uptrend that will last for several years. Once again, the reason the price is still around 15 and a quarter, right at mining cost, is because the investor and the people that are shorting the market have not gone long. So what do? You got two options. You can wait and say, I'm going to enter it when it gets to 1650. I'm going to enter it when it gets to 1612. We see all these different numbers that people say they need to see before they're going to get in silver. They don't want to buy it while it's sitting still. So that's one way to do it. You wait. The other way to do it is you cost average. You keep buying at this low price. You keep putting in and buying as much as you can afford, because we've already seen silver go to $50 an ounce in 1980, 2012. We saw it back at 48, and this next will be much higher than 48, I can assure you. But once again, the investor has not entered the market in force at this point. All that has to happen is for the JP Morgans of the world to go long silver, and that's it. So there are silver products we're getting specials on almost every day. If you'll call us, we have something we're not putting out. There's not enough of it. But if you're interested in silver and gold, we have daily specials that you have to call in and check on. You can reach us at 800-247-2812. So I hope I'm clear on this silver thing. I'm not saying you move today. You can wait and pick a number in the future, but be ready, because when silver goes up, it goes up fast. And for me, I like buying right now. I don't care if it takes 2 years, 3 years, whatever it takes. It's going to be worth it when something triples, quadruples, or goes up 5, 6, 7 times that many people are predicting. Next fact we had a question about is what I think is going on with the ratio between gold and silver. As I told many of you, I was at a meeting a few weeks ago. The main speaker says it's going to be 100 to 110 ratio soon. Gold's going to be 100 to 110 times more valuable than silver. Right now it's like 88, 89 from a historical 50. Some people say 16, but I don't have time today to go through that. But 50 is a more realistic number. So at some point, as I've already said, when silver moves, it's going to catch up. But for now, you can look for gold probably on the very short term to outperform silver. But once this new ratio is established as an all-time high, it should go back the other way. And then Lyle Banner talked about the trade war with China. Definitely huge for gold. Definitely going to be keep taking gold out of the market. We're seeing gold being bought by central banks at a record rate. Over 630 tons last year. Already expecting 800 tons this year. People that gold can't take that. Remember, all the gold that's ever been mined would fit under the Eiffel Tower. all the gold that's ever been mined would fill up an Olympic swimming pool. We're talking about a very rare metal. So gold, you should be buying wide open right now. What do central banks know that you don't? I can assure you they know there's problems, and part of the resolution those problems is going to be a currency backed by gold, probably put out by the Chinese government, or other cryptocurrencies backed by physical gold. So hopefully we've answered those questions, reiterated them. If you want to talk to us about a self-directed IRA, a lot of people are rolling money or retiring 401ks that are being taken out and then made into two self-directed IRAs, one for precious metals, one for stocks and bonds. So that's a very fast part growing of our business. If you don't have a self-directed IRA and you're rolling money out 401k, give us a call. We can be your representative and your broker. We can now be your custodian. So give us a call at 800-247-2812. That's 800-247-2812. With this week's Precious Metal Market Update, this is Tom Cloud signing out.